Today we'll learn about Clavin-Dindo classification for post-operative complication. So this is newly added topic in latest 28th edition of Bailey, and this is new favorite hot topic for AIMS and NEET examiner. So let's learn about Clavin-Dindo classification for post-operative complication. So there are 5 grade. In grade 3 and grade 4 there is 3A and 3B. In 4A, 4B. Okay, so we'll learn in very easy way, so we can retain for longer period of time. So grade 1. So grade 1 is any deviation from the normal post-operative course. Okay, so any deviation. Okay, and in this deviation we can give few normal daily commonly used drug like antiemetic, antipyretic, analgesic, diuretics, electrolyte and physiotherapy. And this is also include wound infection that opens at the bedside. Okay, just we open the stitch and see and normally drain the few collection. So this is also included in 1. This has been recently asked in AIMS SS examination. Okay, so now grade 2. Grade 2 is apart from all these common medication used in grade 1. So other medication, if you have to use other medication, then it will come under grade 2. So though for dawai. Okay, and apart from medication, if you use blood, B for 2, B is second number on alphabet, so it's 2. And total parental nutrition, it's T for 2. Okay, so in grade 2 dawai other than used in grade 1, then blood transfusion and total parental nutrition. Okay, so now come to grade 3. So grade 3 is 3 type of intervention if you have to use: surgical, endoscopic or radiological. Okay, so in as I said, it's A and B. So A is under LA, local, and if you do in LA, so it's A, 3A. If you use under general anesthesia, that is the under the Behoshi, B is Behoshi, so under GA. Okay, so now come to grade 4. Grade 4 is life threatening complication. In examination you have to just remember, if you see the word is life, LIFE, so there is a 4 letter, so it's a 4. So grade 4 life threatening complication, that is include brain hemorrhage excluding TIA, and if it's life threatening complication you have to manage in ICU. Okay, that is the TIA is transient ischemic attack. Okay, so that is not that severe according to Clavin-Dindo classification, so you can put in, you exclude in grade 4. Okay, so now come 4A and 4B. A is 1, so it's single organ dysfunction, and that includes dialysis. So how you will remember, it's D for 4, D if dialysis, D is 4 alphabetical, so 4, and A dialysis mein A is A written, A, so it's a 4A. If it's more than 1 organ dysfunction, so it's a B for bahut, so multi organ dysfunction. Okay, and 5 is death means there is a 5 letter, so death comes under 5. So I hope I have explained this Clavin-Dindo classification in very easy way. You can revise it and you can retain it for longer time. Thank you.